Bakit ngayon mo lang nalaman na meron palang health plan or HMO na monthly ang bayad? Hindi annual, hindi semi-annual at hindi rin quarterly. Monthly siya. For as low as 995 pesos per month, meron na siyang maximum benefit limit of 50,000 pesos per illness per year. This is through Quick Care. Ang laking bagay nito para sa mga kagaya kong virtual assistant, freelancer, monthly yung bayad, ang laking tulong sa budget natin. Also, wala siyang lock-in period. So, this is underwritten by PhilCare. Ang maganda dito, digital na lahat. Digital yung application, pati yung card mo, digital na rin. So, itong digital or e-card mo, pwedeng i-present to over 1,800 accredited hospitals and clinics and over 55,000 accredited doctors nationwide. Covered na rin neto kung inpatient ka, ma-hospital naman, knock on wood, wag naman sana, outpatient, mga lab tests, check-up, and diagnostic tests. And of course, very important, emergency care covered rin. But please, do your own research. Lalagay ko yung link sa ating bio, comment, or caption. So please read more about Quick Care so you can learn more about it. And if nakatulong sa iyo tong video na to, please use my referral code. Lagay natin dyan.